In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a signature in a Google form in just 5 minutes. This simple process will allow you to collect signatures directly within your Google Forms, which can be incredibly useful for surveys, contracts, or any form where you need to gather signatures. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to your Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Google Drive. Once you're in your Google Drive, look towards the top or side menu for an Apps section. Click on that, and from the list of applications, go ahead and select Forms. Accessing Google Forms through Drive is easy, especially if you frequently use other Google services. Next, choose the specific form that you want to add a signature to. If you've already created the form, simply locate it in your list and open it. If you're creating a new form, make sure you set it up and save it before proceeding with the next steps. Once you have your form open, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see a 3-dot menu or a More options button. Clicking on More will reveal a drop-down list of additional features. From this list, you'll want to click on Get Add-ons. This is where you'll be able to find the necessary tools to add signatures to your forms. After you click Get Add-ons, a window will pop up. In the search bar provided, type in the word signature. You'll be presented with a list of signature add-ons compatible with Google Forms. Select an add-on that fits your needs. Some popular options are user-friendly and straightforward, perfect for gathering signatures in a clean and professional manner. Once you've decided on an add-on, proceed by clicking Install. This action may prompt you to connect the add-on with your Google account. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and securely log into your email account if prompted. After the installation process is complete, you'll usually need to click Continue and then Next through a series of authorization dialogues. These standard procedures ensure the add-on is correctly integrated into your Google Forms setup. Finish up by hitting Done. Now you can return to your form and look for the Add-ons menu, typically located on the upper toolbar. Click on it, then find the newly installed signature add-on such as Signature in Google Forms by Bolo, Sign PDF. Select it and then click Open. This will allow you to sync the signature functionality directly with your form. Once synchronized, you're all set to add and manage signatures within your Google form. This seamless addition enhances your form's versatility and professionalism, providing a neat and efficient solution for gathering signatures digitally. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to explore more about enhancing your Google Forms with additional features and functionalities.